Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So in order to do that, we have to first of all enter the settings, and let me think where we can find this option. Let's check the display because probably it is here, and as you can see it is. So first of all, tap on the display and here scroll down until you will see the navigation bar option, which is the option we are looking for. And as you can see, we've got two different options, and the swipe gestures, we want to set it, but before we will do it, I'd like to simply tell you about the button order, because if you will decide that you want to stick with the buttons, here you can customize them, so reorder the back button and the recents. What is more, you can change the position, so here we've got on the right and on the left they will appear right here, so it's up to you of course. In order to set the swipe gestures, just tap on this animation here. And as you can see, the buttons will immediately disappear. Instead, we've got this line here at the bottom of the screen, which will be responsible for some actions. Of course, I'll show you them. So here you've got also some kind of options which you can customize, which are connected with the gestures. So we've got the gesture hand, you can show button to hide keyboard or block gestures with the S Pen. It's up to you which option you'd like to keep turned on. I will just leave it like this. What's more, here you've got more options, and here you can decide about the gesture sensitivity, which will be available only for this option, because as you can see we've got also two different ones, and I highly recommend to customize this option after a while of using the gestures, because then you will be able to decide if you really need to change the sensitivity up to your own preferences. So just a quick disclaimer about those options. If you want, I would say, kind of a fusion between the gestures and the buttons, then simply pick this option, and instead of the one line we will have three different ones, and they are responsible for different actions, so like just like the buttons, so the back and the home page and the recents. But to be honest, I personally prefer this option, and right now I can show you basically how they work. So if you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, just like that. And if you can see this pale faded arrow here, it means that the gesture worked, and after releasing the finger you will simply get back to the previous page. And it also works from the left side. If you want to get back directly to the home page, all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and do it quite fast. I would say it should be a short motion, just like that. And as you can see, we've got the home page. And in order to open the recents, you have to do kind of the same, but this time elongate this gesture and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And here you can see we've got the recents. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to set the gestures in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.